You ever felt like you're doing everything right, eating well, exercising, following your doctor's advice, but still not seeing the results you want? You're not alone. Many people find themselves stuck in a healthcare routine that just doesn't seem to work, no matter how hard they try. In this video, we'll explore the hidden reasons why your routine might be failing you, and more importantly, how you can turn things around. Let's dive in and uncover the real obstacles standing between you and your health goals. One of the biggest reasons healthcare routines fail is because they're built on common pitfalls. Maybe you're following a generic plan that doesn't fit your unique needs, or perhaps you're trying to do too much at once. Sometimes routines are based on outdated information or unrealistic expectations. Recognizing these pitfalls is the first step toward building a routine that actually works for you. Let's look at what these common mistakes are and how they might be affecting your progress. No two people are exactly alike, and that's especially true when it comes to health. What works for your friend or a celebrity might not work for you. Your body, lifestyle, and goals are unique, so your healthcare routine should be too. Personalization means tailoring your routine to fit your specific needs, preferences, and circumstances. This could involve working with a healthcare professional to create a plan that's just right for you, or simply paying closer attention to how your body responds to different habits. Consistency is often overlooked, but is absolutely essential for any healthcare routine to succeed. It's not about being perfect every single day, but about sticking with your habits over time. Small, steady efforts add up to big results. If you find yourself starting and stopping or only following your routine sporadically, it's time to focus on building consistency. This might mean setting reminders, tracking your progress, or finding an accountability partner to keep you on track. Another common reason routines fail is because the goals are too ambitious or vague. Setting realistic, specific, and achievable goals is crucial. Instead of aiming to lose 20 pounds in a month, focus on losing 1–2 pounds per week. Break big goals into smaller milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. This approach keeps you motivated and makes your routine feel more manageable, increasing your chances of long-term success. Motivation is the fuel that keeps your routine going, but it can fade over time. Understanding why you want to improve your health is key. Is it to feel more energetic, prevent disease, or set a good example for your family? When you connect your routine to a deeper purpose, it becomes easier to stick with it, even when things get tough. Take some time to reflect on your true motivations and write them down as a reminder. Transformations often start with small changes. Instead of overhauling your entire lifestyle overnight, focus on making 1 or 2 small improvements at a time. Maybe it's drinking an extra glass of water each day, taking a short walk after dinner, or going to bed 15 minutes earlier. These small steps are easier to stick with and can lead to lasting results over time. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Keeping track of your progress is a powerful way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Whether you use a journal, an app, or a simple checklist, tracking helps you identify what's working and what needs adjustment. It also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you check off your daily habits. Make tracking a regular part of your routine to keep yourself accountable and celebrate your wins. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes your routine will need to change. Maybe you get sick, travel, or have a busy week at work. The key is to be flexible and adapt your routine as needed rather than giving up entirely. If you miss a workout or eat something unhealthy, don't beat yourself up, just get back on track the next day. Adaptability is a crucial skill for long-term health success. Your body is constantly giving you feedback. Maybe you feel tired, sore, or energized after certain activities. Paying attention to these signals can help you fine-tune your routine for better results. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to make changes or seek professional advice. Listening to your body is one of the most important skills you can develop on your health journey. Rest and recovery are often overlooked in healthcare routines. Your body needs time to heal and recharge, especially if you're exercising regularly or making big changes. Prioritizing sleep, taking rest days, and managing stress are all essential parts of a balanced routine. Remember, more isn't always better. Sometimes less is more when it comes to health. When it comes to nutrition, quality matters more than quantity. Instead of obsessing over calories or strict diets, focus on eating a variety of whole, nutrient-dense foods. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and aim for balance rather than perfection. Good nutrition fuels your body and supports every other aspect of your healthcare routine. Exercise shouldn't feel like a punishment. The best routine is one you actually enjoy and look forward to. Whether it's walking, dancing, swimming, or playing a sport, find activities that make you happy and fit your lifestyle. Enjoyable exercise is easier to stick with and brings more benefits in the long run. Stress can sabotage even the best healthcare routine. Learning to manage stress is essential for both physical and mental health. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or spending time in nature can help you stay calm and focused. Make stress management a regular part of your routine to support your overall well-being. Having a support system can make a huge difference in sticking to your healthcare routine. Friends, family, or support groups can offer encouragement, accountability, and advice. Don't be afraid to reach out for help or share your goals with others. Together, you can overcome challenges and celebrate successes. It's easy to fall into the trap of all-or-nothing thinking, believing that if you can't do your routine perfectly, you shouldn't do it at all. This mindset can lead to frustration and giving up. Instead, focus on progress, not perfection. Every effort counts, and it's okay to have setbacks. What matters most is getting back on track and continuing to move forward. Sometimes the best way to fix your healthcare routine is to seek professional guidance. Doctors, nutritionists, trainers, and therapists can offer personalized advice and help you avoid common mistakes. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're feeling stuck or unsure. Professional support can provide the clarity and motivation you need to succeed. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, is important for staying motivated. Take time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for sticking with your routine. This positive reinforcement helps build confidence and makes it easier to keep going, even when things get tough. Setbacks are a normal part of any journey. Instead of seeing them as failures, view them as learning opportunities. Ask yourself what went wrong and how you can adjust your routine moving forward. This mindset shift turns obstacles into stepping stones and keeps you moving toward your goals. Long-term success requires ongoing inspiration. Find sources of motivation that resonate with you, whether it's reading success stories, joining a community, or setting new challenges. Keeping your routine fresh and exciting helps prevent boredom and keeps you engaged for the long haul. Your mindset plays a huge role in the success of your healthcare routine. A positive, growth-oriented mindset helps you overcome challenges and stay committed to your goals. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself that change takes time. With the right mindset, you can achieve more than you ever thought possible. The most effective healthcare routines are those that become a natural part of your lifestyle. Instead of thinking of your routine as a temporary fix, aim to make healthy habits a permanent part of your daily life. This shift in perspective makes it easier to maintain your progress and enjoy lasting results. It's easy to compare your progress to others, especially in the age of social media, but everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your unique progress. Comparison can undermine your confidence and motivation, so keep your attention on what matters most: your own health and happiness. Technology can be a helpful tool for managing your healthcare routine. Apps, wearables, and online resources can help you track progress, set reminders, and access expert advice. However, it's important to use technology wisely and not become overwhelmed by too much information. Find tools that work for you and support your goals. Not all progress can be measured by the scale. Non-scale victories like improved energy, better sleep, or feeling more confident are just as important. Take time to notice and celebrate these wins. They're signs that your routine is working, even if the numbers don't change right away. Real change takes time. It's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, but patience is key. Trust the process and give yourself grace as you work toward your goals. Remember, slow and steady progress is often the most sustainable and rewarding. Healthcare information is always evolving. Stay informed by reading reputable sources, attending workshops, or consulting professionals. Being educated helps you make better decisions and avoid falling for myths or fads. Make learning a regular part of your routine to stay ahead. True health is about more than just diet and exercise. It includes mental, emotional, and social well-being too. Make sure your routine addresses all aspects of health for a more balanced and fulfilling life. This holistic approach leads to better results and greater satisfaction. Your needs and circumstances will change over time, so it's important to review and adjust your routine regularly. Set aside time every few months to reflect on what's working and what isn't. Make changes as needed to keep your routine effective and enjoyable. Fixing your healthcare routine isn't about finding a magic solution. It's about understanding yourself, making small changes, and staying committed over time. Remember, everyone's journey is different and progress looks different for everyone. By personalizing your routine, staying consistent, and being kind to yourself, you can finally achieve the health results you've been looking for. Here's to your health and happiness, one step at a time.